by the one who held the kick. No legs to stand up, but a woman, she is dead. With his love, he'll come obedient to challenge from the thriller side of
We're out here at the Moto Beach Classic, Huntington Beach, California.
We're live at Moto Beach Classic.
Bananas. Catch a brain, I can almost have some. No legs to stand up, but a woman, she is dead. With his love, he'll come obedient to challenge from the thriller side of
We got tons of vendors. We got super hooligan racing, kick-ass lineup of bands, stunt shows going on, bike shows, art shows.
Punk rock, motorcycles, surfing, Huntington Beach, California. This is what it's all about.
Well, I'm victorious down the 7 seas. Well, commission out of this is out of one, have to kick. No legs to stand up, but a woman, she is dead. With his love, he'll come obedient to challenge from the thriller side of
It's like the best clash of all these different cultures.
Track is on the beach here in Huntington. It's insane.
Pretty much everybody that's into surfing, skating, motorcycles, there's one common thread, and that's everybody loves a good punk jam.
And this shit is kicking ass. Old school punk rock, straight up.
If you missed it this year, make sure to hit it next year because it's a good time.